Today we will be showing you how to replace a fan assembly in a Juniper EX series switch. This video only applies to the non-line card style of EX series switches that have removable fan assemblies. If you have a line card style EX series switch, we have a separate video for that fan assembly replacement. To begin, you will need to determine if your particular switch has more than one removable fan assembly. Observe the fan location of your switch and see if there is more than one fan assembly to be replaced. If there is only a single fan, you can skip the next step. Please note, some of the EX series switches offer multiple airflow direction fan options. You must replace your fan with the same direction airflow or you will overheat your switch. If you have any questions, please contact support@therocketplatform.com and we can assist you. If there are multiple fan assemblies in your switch, you will need to go into the CLI of the machine and run the command shown on screen to display the current status of the hardware in your machine. There will be a notation other than OK next to the fan assembly that is malfunctioning. Once you have determined which fan has failed, you will need to release the fan from the chassis assembly. Depending on your model of EX series switch, this will be accomplished either using a Phillips head screwdriver to undo a captive screw, or there will be a latch or clip assembly that must be released. Use whichever method applies to you and then remove the fan from the chassis. Install the new fan and secure it with whatever method applies to your series of switch. Then go into the CLI and run the command shown on screen to verify that all fans now show an OK status. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your fan replacement, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.